In today's video, I am going to teach you how to purchase Zoho Mail. Start by opening Zoho Mail in your web browser. From the top menu, select Pricing to compare what each plan includes. Look at storage, user limits, and any features you care about. Then select the plan that fits your needs. When you are ready, create your account by following the on-screen prompts. Use a secure password and make sure your contact details are accurate, as they'll be used for billing and account recovery. Next, in the Zoho Mail Admin Console, set up your domain. You can map an existing domain, such as youatyourbusiness.com, or purchase a new domain directly through the Admin Console. If you already own a domain, choose the option to map it and be ready to access your DNS settings at your domain provider. If you don't have a domain yet, you can buy one right there in the console, then proceed with setup once the purchase completes. Now verify your domain. Zoho will provide DNS records, typically a TXT record or a CNAME record, to prove you own the domain. Copy the exact values shown and add them to your domain provider's DNS settings. Be careful to paste the record precisely as given and save your changes. Then return to the admin console and start the verification. DNS changes can take time to propagate, so if verification doesn't pass right away, wait a bit and try again. Leaving the TTL at its default is usually fine. Once your domain is verified, complete your purchase. In the admin console, select the number of users and licenses you need and review the subscription details to confirm everything looks correct. Choose your billing preference if prompted. Then pay using a credit card or PayPal. You'll receive confirmation of your subscription and your billing information will be available in the console for future reference. Finally, configure your MX records so email is delivered to Zoho. In your domain provider's DNS settings, replace any existing MX entries with the MX records provided by Zoho, including the priority values exactly as shown. Remove old MX records to avoid misrouted mail, save the changes, and allow time for DNS propagation. Once these records are live, your domain will begin receiving email through Zoho Mail. That's the complete process. Thanks for watching.